name is Daniel Welsh. I'm a member of the Wales and Cross Borders Ops Readiness team. We're responsible for the introduction of Class 230s, Mark IVs and this our Class 197 to our network. So far we've introduced 6 into service in the north part of our network along the North Wales coast, and we've trained over 400 train crew across our 9 depots. But it's not been as simple as just training some people and sticking the train into service. It's taken a huge amount of work over the last 2-3 years in readiness to get to this point.
Hello, my name is Dennis Lewis. I'm the Driver Integration Manager on the Class 197 project. My role is what it says in the tin. I got to ensure that this train ticks the boxes to give a better quality environment for our driving colleagues. Some of the challenges we faced are we're trying to bring new stock in place with our current legacy fleet, and we got to work out things like where we can stable these stock, in a safe place. So by problem solving, we've managed to get around these challenges. So from a passenger service perspective, we all know they are in service in the north. From the south side of it, we started training our drivers for Cardiff and Carmarthen in early February. So I would anticipate we'll have the driver numbers available by the summer, where we can start entering into passenger service in and around the Cardiff area. So hopefully our passengers will see these and travel on these on a daily basis from summer of 2023.
My name's Andy Abraham. I've been a driver for 10 years. Just spent 2 days driving the 197 class, and it's a great piece of kit. And it's set up ergonomically for the drivers, so everything is within easy reach. It's a great addition to the TFW fleet. I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on these and taking them out on the network.